Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are making chocolate chip muffins. These are the ingredients and tools we are using for today's chocolate chip muffins. We'll be using 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. We use some vanilla essence. We have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We have a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. We have 1/4 cup of white sugar. We have 2 room temperature eggs, some butter, a cup of milk, 2.5 cups of soft. We have our cupcake tin. We also have a whisk, a spatula. We'll be using the spare wood here and then our parchment paper, as well as the scissors. We'll also be using a Ziploc bag, which we use to store our muffins. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to melt our butter, and this is how it looks like. I'll set it aside, pour it in here. Now we'll add in our eggs, the milk, and the vanilla essence. Then we'll combine everything with a whisk. Then we'll set it aside as we mix our dry ingredients. Into our bowl, I'll add in our flour, our sugar, the baking powder, the salt. Mix everything together with our spatula. Set it aside. Into our mixture, I'm going to add in our dry ingredients, combine with the whisk. Now we'll add in our chocolate chips, combine, set it aside. pick our cupcake tray. We also cut our parchment papers. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own muffin papers or muffin liners. So with this parchment paper here, I'll cut it and then we fold it again. We are cutting it into rectangular shapes in sizes small enough to fit our baking tin. So here I'm going to fold, and we'll fold it into 3. So I'll cut the first half and then I'll fold it for the second time and we'll cut it as well. Now these are the papers or parchment paper cutouts we are going to use. I'll pick the first 2, we'll place it here just against each other, and then I'll use our disposable cap here and then we'll push it inward. So that is basically how we make the liners. This will cover the whole sheet. Now I'm going to push it down once more and then we pour our butter into it right after. We use the cap and then we pour it in. We repeat this process to fill all the 12. And this is how they look like. Now I'm going to top them with our chocolate chips here. Now we'll bake them for 15 to 25 minutes at most. And these are our muffins right out of the oven. Just look at how beautiful they look. We are going to let them sit in the tins for about 10 to 15 minutes to cool off slightly, then we transfer it onto a cooling rack. Our muffins have cooled off. I'm going to place them onto our cooling rack. Set this aside. I'm going to pull them off the paper that we used in baking, which is our parchment paper, and this is how it looks on the bottom and on the sides. I'll do this for all the others. And this is how they look like. This is how they look like. So we are going to break into one to see how it looks. Just look at that. Very soft. Tastes amazing. Give this recipe a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thaw it. You can place it into a Ziploc bag. And then close it. Ensure that you push out all the air. And this can stay in your fridge for up to a month, 2 months,
or even just on your countertop without being in the Ziploc bag.
Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on other baked goods from us, so you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.